Welcome back to the channel. Today, I am going to show you how to easily set launch commands for your Steam games to force them into either windowed or full screen mode. Whether your game is crashing at launch, refusing to display on the correct monitor, or you just prefer a specific window size for multitasking, these simple launch options are a lifesaver. If this quick tutorial helps you save some time and frustration, please take a second to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss a future tip. Let's dive right in. First, launch the Steam application from your desktop or taskbar. Once you have the main interface open, navigate to your Library tab to view all of your installed games. Take your cursor and find the specific game that you would like to adjust. Once you have located it, right-click on the game title and select the Properties option from the context menu that appears. This will open a new pop-up window containing various settings for that specific title. Make sure you are on the General submenu, which is usually selected by default. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Launch Options. This is a text input field where you can feed specific commands to the Steam engine before the game even starts. If you want to force the game to open in a windowed mode, simply type -windowed into this field. If you prefer the game to take up your entire screen, type -fullscreen instead. Once you have typed in your desired command, you can simply close this Properties window. Steam will save these changes automatically the moment you click out of the box. Now, go ahead and click the play button to launch your game. You should immediately notice the game opening in your chosen display mode. It really is that straightforward. If you ever want to revert these changes, just follow the same steps, navigate back to the Launch Options field, and delete the command you entered. After closing that window, your game will return to its default display behavior. I hope this short guide was helpful for you. If it solved your problem, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Steam tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.